You can manage your QuickBooks desktop account at your convenience in one place by using the Customer Account Management Portal, also known as CAMPS. In CAMPS, you can edit sign-in information, find your license number, or download products you've purchased. You can also update your payment method, change your primary contact, manage your subscriptions, view your list of orders, transactions, and verify your charges. Let's take a look. To start, go to camps.intuit.com. Your CAMPS sign-in was automatically created for you when you registered your product. This might be different than your QuickBooks desktop sign-in, so select I forgot my user ID or password if you can't remember it. If that doesn't work, try using Claim Account. Claim Account lets you merge all QuickBooks accounts associated with your email address into one. Once you're in, you'll see all your QuickBooks products. Select the desktop tile to go to the CAMPS dashboard. If QuickBooks Desktop is the only product you have, then you'll skip this step. In CAMPS, you'll find your profile information here. If you have more than one company, you can switch between companies. And if you want to transfer ownership of your QuickBooks Desktop license, you can start that here. Select My Profile if you want to change your user ID and password for CAMPS and any other QuickBooks products you have, such as QuickBooks Online or Payroll. However, you can only change your QuickBooks Desktop login information in Product. Now let's look at the CAMPS dashboard. You'll see all your QuickBooks products and services listed. If you select Details for a product or service, you can find your license number, a link to download the product, billing information, and status. You can also cancel a service by selecting the Cancel Service link below the status. Next, you'll see your payment and order activity, where you can search, view, or print your history of transactions or order details with QuickBooks. In the Payment Method area, you can see which credit cards you're using to pay for each QuickBooks product and service. You can make updates here. Next is where you can change your primary contact if you want. The primary contact should be either the owner of the business or the account administrator in charge of administrative tasks like updating billing information and other sensitive tasks. They have the power to do anything in QuickBooks, so choose this person wisely. Finally, in the Account Details area, you can change your phone number and address. You can also find your customer account number, which will be helpful if you ever have to contact support. And that's an introduction to CAMPS, the place where you can manage all your account information for QuickBooks Desktop. Log in now and review your information and make sure it's accurate.